Do you want to maximize your living spaces by extending them outdoors? Whether it's a barbecue or a bonfire, there are plenty of ways to enjoy your backyard. With the addition of landscape lights, these spaces are more usable, enjoyable, and safe. Here are 6 ideas to inspire you to revamp your backyard. Number 1, path lights. Path lights are one of the most commonly used landscape lights and are great for a variety of uses. If you have a path or walkway, you can illuminate it to increase safety and visibility. If you have a seating area, you could frame it with path lights to bring it to life in the evenings. Our path lights are available in a wide assortment of options that fit any style from classic to decorative. Number 2, spot and floodlights. Certain aspects of your landscape deserve to be seen regardless of what time it is. With spot and floodlights, you can highlight all your favorite features. Spotlights are great for illuminating particular focal points such as trees, pillars, and statues. Floodlights emit a much broader beam of light and work well for illuminating large objects such as retaining walls, hedges, or large trees. Floodlights are also great for providing added security to your home. You can mount them high up in the gables of your home and shine them down to illuminate a large section of your backyard. Number 3, downlights. If you have a pergola, gazebo, or trellis, there are many ways to incorporate lighting. Hanging lights are a great addition for providing downlight under covered areas. Deck lights are great for mounting on posts or beams and come in a variety of up and down lighting options. Our Buddy Pro puck lights are tiny and can be surface mounted or recessed into railings for very subtle downlighting. Hardscape lights are another great option for mounting under railings or downlighting any masonry. 4, well lights. If you want to uplight a tree, column, or wall but don't want any fixtures sticking out of the ground, well lights are for you. These lights sit recessed into the ground and do not obstruct any high traffic areas. Our Salty Dog line of in-grade lights are fully submersible, so even if your backyard is prone to flooding, these are a great choice. Number 5, bollards. Sometimes you'll have a larger section of open area with no standout features to light. This is where decorative bollards can be used to fill in your open landscape with beautiful patterns. These lights feature intricately cut panels that cast unique shadows to create a spectacular effect. Available in heights from 24 to 40 inches, and with a wide selection of decorative panels, we have a bollard that suits your style. Number 6, mini fixtures. If your backyard includes smaller garden beds or potted plants, this is where our mini fixtures shine. Mini fixtures are highly compact and put out the perfect amount of light for more niche applications. When you need a discrete illumination, such as at the base of a potted plant, go with something like our Spark mini spotlight. We hope we gave you some inspiration on how you can light up your backyard living space. If you have any questions about lighting your backyard or lighting in general, feel free to give us a comment or call us at 813-978-3700. Our lighting experts are on hand 7 days a week. For more inspiration on how to light your backyard, check out this playlist here.